What's up, guys? How's it going? I hope you guys are doing well and having a great day. Another moto vlog here at the gas station again. So I changed the mic and I also put a dead cat in it, and hopefully the vlog is gonna come off a little bit better and hopefully a little bit different, like as far as like, you know, like the voice goes and everything. What is this guy doing? I'm going in the front, dude. You gotta back up. So yeah, that's what I'll be focusing on, and possibly go to the canyon again. Hello. Thank you. So with this people, man. Come on. Oh, my windows got foggy already. Oh man. Trying to focus here. What can you do, right? I'd open my windscreen a little bit. Okay, there you go. I'm so tired, I can't even change gears. One of the biggest reasons is because I just did 50 miles. Came to the gas station, ended up getting some gas, and I'm about to actually, guys, hit what's this called, 1,000 miles, and that's going to be the official break-in period. I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to it, to be honest with you guys. It's going to be the game changer. Like, I'm finally going to be able to see what this bike is capable of, and also trying to see, you know, what oh shoot, I forgot to change the gears. Okay, back to one. Yeah, so I still kind of feel rusty, and when it comes to corners, it's a little bit tough for me for some reason. I don't know, I just can't get used to this bike. Maybe because I haven't ridden it, like I only ride it on the weekends, sometimes during the week, and that's about it. It's just very difficult because I also have a vehicle, just muscle memory, and I think that's something that I'm still lacking, and I don't like it, because I just rode about 50 miles and my hands are hurting, my wrist is hurting. But keep in mind, guys, this is a sports bike and has aggressive seating, so maybe that's the case. But yeah, so we are about to hit our 1,000 miles. That's gonna be the break-in period, and yeah, I'm looking forward to that. There's so much traffic. There was so much traffic on the freeway. Yeah, so I can feel, I mean, a little bit different when it comes to changing gears, just a little bit, because of it's approaching, it's 1,000, you know, what's this called, 1,000 mile break-in. But yeah, you know, it's cool. Again, the Cali drivers, you have to deal with this traffic again. Oh well. So yeah, I am really excited about this night canyon run in a way, because we will be going to this canyon at nighttime. I mean, just sunset. Literally, it's about 6:52 p.m. right now, so I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well and having a great day and enjoying your enjoy your Saturday. I had a pretty chill, productive day. I got a lot of things done, mostly focusing on organizing my room. Took care of that, paid the bills, meal prepped, and also I wanted to go to the gym, but I was like, you know what, I'll take a rest day today. But take a day off, probably go tomorrow. And I can't wait. I'm realizing during this time, as we all know what's going on globally, I don't have to say the name because YouTube might, you know, flag me for it, but you all know what I mean. The months are going by really fast. It's going faster than I thought, and honestly I have no complaints whatsoever. It's going really fast, things are changing. I think people are getting better. Our state, California, is not on it's not the red state anymore, so I'm extremely, another biker, I'm extremely thankful for that. I think it was a Ducati. I got distracted. But yeah, I'm really happy about that. The fact that we have taken a little bit control over this entire thing, and you all know what I mean. So yeah, my God, it's this weather and the Cali breeze just hitting your face, can't get enough of it. Yeah, so I was on the freeway. Oh, nice. That's a nice bike. Oh, it was a red Ducati, and this is I don't know, let me know, guys, what type of car is that? I know it was back in probably 1950s or so. I'm realizing now it's a battle against the sun, because the sunsets are happening a little bit faster because fall is here. But here in California, you know, fall is a little bit different than other states. So, yeah. But man, luckily today the engine did not became really warm. I've been looking at YouTube and a couple of reviews as far as like when it comes to the Fahrenheit, like the heat, you know, like the engine, how warm it becomes. Sometimes like it's 195 or 220, sometimes even 230. I heard it, but it's better now. I don't know, I guess it's because it's finally breaking in, so I didn't notice much of a difference. So that was really good. Here I'm cruising in a city of, I believe it's Lake Forest, yeah, or Mission Viejo. But I'm gonna head out to Newport Beach to see my buddy. Gonna have a coffee. But meanwhile, he's still working. I'm just gonna cruise, and you know, I just wanted to like vlog it for you guys and just talk a little bit about life and, you know, 1,000-mile break-in. Yeah, so probably tomorrow, which is Sunday, I will be doing the, what's this called, the review of the tail lights, and I'll make a separate video. Oh my God, it's so hard for me to focus right now. Vlogging and riding, it is a skill. A lot of people, I don't know how they do it. You know, maybe because they do it so often, they're so used to it. And please forgive me that maybe I'm kind of like new to this, as far as like, you know, the make of this video is still kind of, I believe it's still having some issues, and I'm working on fixing that. So hopefully it gets better. But yeah, I'm gonna see my buddy in Newport Beach. We're gonna get coffee and hang out for a little bit, catch up. He's really into cars too. But today it's just so beautiful right now, just the riding and being on the street. I'm extremely thankful. Hopefully I see other riders or some cool cars. If I see it on Newport Beach, I'll vlog it. But yeah, I'm really excited for upcoming videos. It is going to be about, you know, the 5 things I like, 5 things I hate. And also maybe getting a new helmet. That's the thing, because once you buy one of these bikes, you constantly want to do things to them. You want to change your gear, you want to look more cool and good in it, like just unique, changing the styling of it. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, but you know, I feel like it's good to kind of budget things out and to stick to your budgeting, and that's what adulting is. But I kid you not, I sleep very good after a really good ride. It is very, very therapeutic. Like, I never used to believe in it, and don't quote me on it. I don't know if it's true or not. I was googling on just googling, you know, if it's therapeutic to ride bikes, and I came across this article, and there was UCLA researchers did a study on bikers, the one who rode and how they felt and their mood swings, and they found out that 20%, 28% of them were less stressed and more happier. And that's something. Now that's a proven fact. And another thing was, it's a saying from riders that you will never catch a rider or a bike parked in front of a counselor or a therapist office, because they're always happy. But yeah, oh, it was another biker. Yeah, I find it very fascinating. Find it very fascinating. Just being on the road, let loose, focusing on your things, gathering your thoughts, thinking about your life, thinking about motivation, thinking about accomplishing things. I like to consider myself one of the motivational speakers in a way. I love talking about things, like as far as like why you should focus on your goals, why you should not be distracted, because you have to be prioritized and disciplined. And one of the things that I always end up talking about is, most of the time, is literally, honestly guys, this nutrition. It's being self-disciplined and taking care of your health. I recently went to my doctor and I told her, and I'm sorry, I went to my first physical appointment. I'm gonna see my doctor because they took my blood test and they did my they also checked my blood pressure, and it was 123/70. And she was like, wow, you're not the average. I was like, I know. Just kidding, guys. But yeah, so it was a perfect blood pressure. And she was like, oh, do you eat healthy and do you take care of yourself? I told her, yeah. It's one of those things that I take pride in. And if you want to ride for a long time, maybe in your 50s a sports bike, or God knows, in your 55, 60 years old, but you want to be able to make sure that you stay healthy. So that's something about me that I'm really proud of, and I love talking about it. And if I could talk to you guys and teach you guys, that'll be another thing. Maybe I'll post more videos about, you know, nutrition, maybe if I get more audience and eventually grow more. But yeah, so that's one of the things I wanted to share about this happened this past week. It was very exciting. I was very happy to know that my blood pressure is under control, and you know, being a young adult, things are looking good. Still waiting on the blood results, and that's coming up. Yeah, we are about to approach our spot where I usually kind of pull over, and also end the vlog. Okay, I am going to head out to Newport Beach. That's where I'm going to see my buddy. I'm extremely tired. The reason why I almost dropped my bike, I'm extremely tired because, like I said, I almost drove 50 miles to just get the cruise in and get the miles in, and we are at 938 miles. And I'm definitely going to make the video, like I said, about 1,000 miles to let you guys know what's up and the difference between the bike and the performance. But yeah, thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Like I said, I'm new to this. Oh God, they almost got into a car accident. This person just changed their lane. That's what I hate about California. Honestly, it was pretty bad. But yeah, thank you again for watching my video. I'm extremely thankful. I'm extremely thankful for the things that I have done. I'm extremely thankful to be able to afford this wonderful sports bike that I absolutely love and I can't get enough of. And like I said, you know, someone that owned a 2007 and now jumping into 2020 is completely different. I'm still getting used to the gears and everything, and sometimes it just kind of slips out of my hands. It's just because I get tired and it has aggressive seating. But that does not mean that we can never become better riders. So in my opinion, like I said, like, you can always learn, you can always grow, and you can always make yourself better, because the moment you stop learning, you know, someone else is beating you. So that's just my philosophy. Like, live your life, stick to your lane. Just like the YouTuber, what's his name, Cycle Cruise, is really funny. He does a lot of vlogging too, but he says that the cash is king. If you can't afford it, you know, you can't have it. It's not yours, it's going to be the bank's. So that's why it's really important to, you know, the things that we want in our life, you got to save up for it. Once you save up for it, then you buy it. Like, you don't want to be a slave to the bank and paying like high interest. But yeah, that's the one I was talking about. So the fan just kicked in. It's 217 now Fahrenheit. So okay, it's good. I'm driving in A mode. Oh, which is the aggressive mode too. Shoot, I completely forgot. Yeah, but let's put it back to standard. Yeah. So A mode is very, you know, aggressive. Standard is, you know, just standard, and B mode is a little bit less aggressive. So that's why I was like, why is this bike acting so funny? But yeah, it's crazy how you can tell the difference between the modes. But yeah, thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. It's one of those things that I can't thank you guys enough for taking the time for watching. Subscribe to my channel, comment below, let me know what you would like to see on this channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next vlog. Peace.